Hi, good afternoon. It's a beautiful sunny day. We're at a new listing that's coming soon. It'll soon be on the market, available for your showings. It's 4017 Palomino Drive. It's in Benbrook, Texas. It's close to everything inside the loop. You can get to Camp Bowie, get to the city. Super location. Come on in and we'll take a look. There's a sweet little niche here in the front porch with a place for seating or flowers, nice archways. It has a tile floors, the rounded barrel ceiling, and in the kitchen and dining area, tile floors. Nice ceiling height. Breakfast bar, mini cabinets, and lots of countertop space. Another feature, it has gas cooking, the taller cabinets, and here's the pantry. Right here. The dining area seats 6 or more comfortably. It has a great view of the spacious living area, which has another great view of the backyard. Austin stone fireplace. It has the floor plugs for lamps and tables here. Multiple areas that you could put your TV. This home is over 2,200 square feet and was built in 2008. It's on the market for $285,000. And it does have a second living area, which makes a great home office, media space. It could be a flex space for a 4-bedroom. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and 2 living areas. And this flex space has the closet and also a beautiful view of the backyard. Quite a lot of natural light makes it even more appealing. This home has a split master bedroom suite. It's on the other side of the living area here. Has a great workstation here. The master suite this way. Has great wall space. Room for a king bed in multiple areas in this bedroom. And come on into the master bath. We have dual sinks, a nice garden tub, a separate shower which is tile. And take a look at the walk-in closet. It's huge. Adjacent to the master suite was the workstation, which has the tile floors. This area you can come in off the garage, and to the left here is the utility room. Off the master suite, there was the workstation area with tile floors, access to the laundry room, and the garage. This is yet another view of this great room. Oversized, raised ceilings, has the moldings, and you can get another view of the dining area and kitchen and take a look at how spacious and roomy this home is. It is in move-in condition, very neat and clean. Now we're going to go over to the other side of the home with two bedrooms and a full bath. This room is being used as a study, obviously, and it's on the front of the home. It does have great storage and closet, so it could easily be a bedroom. Next to the 2 bedrooms on the opposite side of the home, there's a full bath, and it has tile floors, cultured marble tops, and nice fixtures. There's linen storage here in the hall. This is bedroom number 3. Ceiling fan, great storage, and lighting. Off the main living area, here is access to the covered patio. Which is oversized. Ceiling fan. Has gutters across the back here and a sidewalk around to the side. So just to wrap things up, this is 4017 Palomino Drive in Benbrook, Texas. It's over 2,200 square feet, on the market for $285,000. It's in move-in condition, as you can see. It has the 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The master suite is private. Has 2 living areas. One could be a media space or a 4th bedroom. For a private showing, give us a call. 817-269-1660. Thanks so much.